Hey everybody, it's your girl, your sister. Welcome back to another episode of The Beauty Shop, ladies. So today we're going to be doing a product review, guys. And so I've already opened the package because I thought this was something that I had ordered. And it turns out that it was not something I ordered. And this little beauty just ended up on my doorstep. So what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is KEMEI hair straightener. So guys, I've never heard of this product ever. I don't know who sent it to me or why. It's out of China, so I don't know. And it's also came with a power changeover, and guys, I've never had to use one of these, so obviously the plug on here is not made for the US. So let's see what we have here. And guys, let me tell you, I'm really picky about my hair straighteners, so I'm going to be a very hard critic because oh yeah, see that, guys? That's not, they're round, not flat. So we are going to plug this little baby up and see what we have here, ladies. And please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, guys, so that you don't miss another episode of The Sister in the Beauty Shop. I got a lot of great things coming for you guys. I know I haven't had a video in about a week or so, but guys, I just went back to work and it's been rough, so give me time. I was out for 6 weeks, guys, and this is when I started this channel, so I'm assuming that's how that goes. See that? So it says here on the box that it heats up in 30 seconds. So let's see what this KEMEI straightener can do. Like I said, I will be a hard critic because I'm just real particular about my flat irons. So alright, I have it plugged up and it's on. Okay, so this is reading in Celsius. So let me see. Okay, I'm not sure how to convert that on the spot. So I'm sorry. I was just trying to see if it told what it was. Okay, so we're going to give that a little time to heat up. And so, ladies, this is actually not one of my own units that I made. This is actually a human hair unit. The only one I've ever bought. That I bought this on Amazon, and ladies, I love this. So this is freshly washed and air dried, and so we are going to see what the KEMEI straightener can actually do. And what I usually do, guys, before I straighten is I like to use a very light oil, and this is a dry styling oil, Strictly Curls by Mark Anthony. And so I really like this. It has a very nice lemon scent. So what I will do is I will lightly spray the hair. Spray that. Comb that through. And I have my clips here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry, I keep saying ladies. Well, it's straightening. Before I formulate opinions, let's continue. I feel like what we should do is a compare test on the other side. We will use my regular flat iron that I use. And guys, I must inform you that it is not a chi. And I've been doing hair, guys, for like 30 years. And like I said, I'm real funny about the straightener I use. So I mean, it's definitely straightening out the hair, but it doesn't feel very hot. Okay, guys, I basically have, okay, as you can see, this side is not done over here, and this is the side that I just did with the KEMEI. Let's run through this up here one more time. Now see, this is what I don't like. I don't like a flat iron that I have to continuously run through the hair. So now we are going to let my flat iron of choice heat up, and you guys will be surprised to see my flat iron of choice, and I definitely choose this one above any number of cheese that I have used over the years. So okay, guys, so here we have, this is the side that was done with the KEMEI, and it feels nice, guys. It feels silky and it's straight, and you know that, like I said, this is not giving off a lot of heat at all. It actually just went off. Okay, guys, so it's not really looking that great because it just went off, guys. It won't come back on. I don't know, the review's not looking too great. There it goes. Now Okay. Let that heat back up. So, now my flat iron of choice. Let's see what it does. Okay, guys, so I'm done with this other side. And guys, what I can say is that I don't know, this side of my hair feels a whole lot different than this side. I don't know, maybe this KEMEI delivers a different kind of heat, because like I said, it doesn't feel really hot. Guys, as I'm straightening this other side with this KEMEI hair straightener, remember I just said the first side that I straightened felt different than this other side that I used my flat iron on. And now guys, I swear by that flat iron too. Like, I quite literally won't use anything else. But now this side feels just like this side. I don't know what. Like I said, guys, this is a product that someone sent me, and so I decided to do a review on it, and I'm gonna give it a yes. I'm gonna give it a definite yes. 5 stars, thumbs up. I wish you guys could just feel this hair. It feels so soft and nice. Very, very soft and nice. A different kind of soft. I can't even describe what. So guys, I'm going to say it's a thumbs up for the KEMEI hair straightener, guys. So I can't really direct you to where to get it from because I really don't know where it came from. But if you can find it, guys, it's a definite thumbs up. And you heard it here in the beauty shop with the sister. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Deuces, guys. Till the next time.